Hi guys, this is Raquel with Paints and Glitter, and I'm here today to show an enormous package that I just received in the mail via Sandi from Decorate Your Life. We got paired up in the Loaded Envelope Galore and More group on Facebook for a swap regarding a fall project with milk carton boxes, and you'll see when I open the box what I'm referring to. However, I'm looking at this box and it seems to me like Sandi might be moving in. So Sandi, I do have a guest bedroom and you're welcome to stay. It looks like luggage. This thing is big. It's very big. So I'm just going to open it, and I did put this doily on top because I didn't want the address to show. But I'm going to move this aside for 1 second, and I'm going to tear at it with my what I call my Timmy scissors here. Yeah, I was not expecting the box to be this large because I made the project and my project was not this big. Oh, this is so sweet. Okay guys, so I think it's safe to, alright, just do this. Alright, so here is the box. And I had to clear out my table. It's got these. Right away I'm seeing this adorable decor here, which is kind of like, oh, what do you call this? Table scatter? Oh, it's so cute. And it's in pastels, which I really like. And let's see here. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, goodness. Well, the little balls are going to fly everywhere, so I'm not concerned because this is my room. And I can make all the mess I want, because I'm the one who cleans it. Ooh, a little, okay, so a little tag just flew, but that's okay. Alright, so I just taken out the packaging there that she added. So these are the little tags. Okay, I'm going to see how I can take this out so you guys can see everything. Let's take out this first, and this is, oh my gosh, I saw the video that Sandi did for this. This is this gorgeous card. And I'm going to try to, okay, so I'm trying to adjust my lighting here. Look at what a beauty. It says thanks, and she made this with Spellbinders dies. And Sandi, you are too critical of yourself. I love the little bow you made. That's adorable. So she did include this, and it says, hi honey, happy fall. I appreciate your love and friendship. Thank you so much for swapping with me. Enjoy your goodies. Love you, Sandi Nagel, aka Decorate Your Life. So if you are in the dark ages and don't know who Sandi is, that's her channel. Go follow her. You're not going to be disappointed. Look at her work. It's always very classy. I like that about Sandi's projects. And oh my gosh, okay. So this, oh Lord have mercy. No, you did not, girl. This is loaded with goodies. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to move my camera and bear with me guys because I want you guys to take everything in, and I think I was at the wrong angle here. Oh my word. Okay, so there's the card, and here are some bags with goodies, and I'm gonna take everything out. Want you guys to see this. Oh my word. And I'm just gonna go through everything, and oh Sandi, holy moly, I can't believe she did this. Okay, so, alright, so the bag is full of these little things here. I can't show you guys because I'm trying to film this on my table. But she added that table scatter, which I think is lovely. And yes, I will be able to use that in my crafting. And you could probably hear it. And, okay, so there's the card. There's this. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. And then there's this package, and then here is the little caddy. And the inevitably in shipping, this always happens, guys, where little things fall apart, okay? So I'm not going to worry about that because that doesn't take away from the project. It's just the little tags fell off of here. However, that's not consequential. It's not a big deal because I'm going to be able to put that together again. But here is the caddy, and it has the 4 little milk boxes, and she decorated it with this bow made of, I believe this is called raffia, I'm not quite sure, but it's got these little roses around here, another one up here. Let's see if we can see that. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And it's in the fall colors, of course. That was the whole point of the project, was to make a fall decor piece. And it has little tags and all of that. And then inside of each, we were to add embellishments that were fall related. So I'm just going to open this one here. And I'm going to move this to the side so that I can reach around. And each one of these were to have either pumpkins or leaves or flowers, that sort of thing. Things that related to fall and embellishments, of course. And here, oh my gosh, Sandi. Oh, wow. Okay. Here are her embellishments that she made. And she did do a video on these. And I love this. I love the color teal. And I know, Sandi, you were concerned about the color scheme, but this is absolutely lovely. I think it's gorgeous, and I really like, you'll have to tell me where you got those little gems with the gold on them, because this is a neutral palette, and neutrals all match together so nicely. So this is wonderful. I absolutely love that, and I love blue, so this is right up my alley. And I'm not, you know, not particular to any one color, so I just really like blue. But look at this. I had not ever seen miniature magnolias. Oh, this is adorable. And she knows that I like stamping, because I do. I love to stamp and color. And these are so sweet. So thank you so much, Sandi. That's adorable. And yes, I will be using those. Oh my gosh, how adorable. And I love this mason jar. I really like that. I thought that was so sweet. All right, so let's open the next one. This video is probably going to be very long, so just grab a cup of tea or something. All right, and in here, she's added some more. Okay, so I think these are the bows. Oh, the embellishments. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I'm so looking forward to using these. Sandi, thank you so much. Oh, they're so cute. You know, it's true what they say. Nothing ever looks the same in person as it does on a video. In person, everything comes through so much better because you get the texture involved with everything. And these are absolutely adorable. Oh, how sweet. This is almost like a sugary texture to it. And let's see. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so these I know she made with a digital file. So if you watch Sandi's video, she explains how she changed the tones, the color tones on these, so that she could make them fall themed. And I thought that was brilliant. Very smart. And I love bees. And I don't know if Sandi knew that, but I absolutely love anything bee related. And those are going to be excellent. I'll be able to use those for sure on a project that I have in mind. So thank you so much, Sandi. So that was in container number 2. I'm going to flip this around now. Oopsie. Oop. Oh, I need to be gentle. And then here's the third one. And I love the chickens. I think this paper is adorable. I'm not sure if this is an older Graphic 45 paper or not, but oh my gosh, look at this. So she sent some ribbons here, and oh wow, oh my goodness, this is Sandi all the way, so classy. Oh, it's so beautiful. Sandi, thank you so much. Wow, this is adorable. Look at that. So it's got like those little they're not sequins, but you guys know what these are. I don't know the terminology, but very adorable, very, very pretty. And then, of course, gorgeous lace. Wow, with pearls on it. Oh my gosh, absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Sandi. This is gorgeous. And, all right, so I'm going to show you guys what's in the fourth one here. Oh my word. Everything is so adorable, Sandi. It really is. And this one says, c'est bon, c'est si bon, life is good. Is that how you say that? I don't know. Maybe. Oh my gosh. Look at how sweet. More embellishments. And these, let's see here. I want to make sure that oh, I see. Okay, so she added additional little frames That's excellent. So that way I can use them as I wish. And then additional embellishments with the pumpkins. Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful shape. And I know, you know, it's kind of funny how not all pumpkins are the same when it comes to die cuts, but this one's really pretty. And I'm sorry, I think I just dropped something. I think I have a rogue ball somewhere. Yeah. All right, there's another one. And then I did the same where I filled mine with leaves because I was like, well, it is fall and leaves are falling everywhere. So, and look at the little flowers. Oh, these are so pretty. So she added some with different colors that would coordinate with the collection here of the items that she sent. And I love the touches of gold on that because it does add a little bit of glimmer, which I love on everything. And then here's another one. So she did 2 in those coral colors and the other 2 in yellows. So thank you so much, Sandi. This is absolutely adorable. And I think it all coordinates absolutely beautifully too. So definitely this will be put to use on a project. And I am very, very happy to be able to, you know, have your creativity in my neck of the woods over here so that I can make something. And now I'm going to show what else she sent. Oh my word, because I cannot believe how much is in here. Now these were the embellishments, of course. I'm going to move them aside a little bit here. And then here is a box here. And I'm sorry, it's got a tiny bit of a crumple there, but I'm sure that was not anything Sandi did. It's my mailman apparently likes to throw things. I don't know. And this is full of, oh my goodness. This is so adorable. It says create something beautiful every day. And it's got tags. Oh, how adorable. More tags. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, so it's like a, oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't even get this. Look at this. It opens up. Oh, how sweet. All right. So it opens up and it says sweet moments. And it has another little tag here that says love. And it's a little card kit, guys. Oh, and this is awesome. This is so, so cool. So it's a little note card kit. And then it has, oh wow, wait a minute. All right. So it's got even more, it's got larger ones. This is an entire kit, guys. You've got to be kidding me. Wow. Here I sent her some blank ones, and she sent me the cards already made, ready to go with the envelopes. Sandi, thank you so much. I know how much work goes into this, and this is so very, very generous of you. I truly appreciate this. I mean, oh my word. This is adorable. And look at that. And the cover has this beautiful lace all the way around. Oh my gosh. And wow, that is just stunning. So thank you so much. And then in here are some extra goodies. You went way above and beyond, sweetheart. And I cannot believe how much is in this bag because this isn't even all of it. Wow. Okay. This here is full. Oh my gosh. This is crazy, Sandi. Crazy. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Look at that. So she added little flowers and oh, look at the butterflies. Wow. With gold, with white. Oh my goodness. Cream. Oh, these are just so pretty, Sandi. And then, oh yes, I sent her something, wait, it was something similar to this. The burlap flowers. Oh, Sandi, oh my goodness. That's hilarious. And then with these pastels, absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is so generous of you, Sandi. I'm overwhelmed. I mean, you didn't have to do all of this. Oh my gosh, but this is... I'm very grateful. I know that, you know, I don't want to be, I don't want to minimize what you've done here because this is so, so very generous of you. She sent these little clips. Look at how adorable that is with the gold glitter. And then Sweet Reflections, a paper pack. Oh my gosh, from 49 and Market. How adorable. And oh my gosh, look at this. How sweet. This really beautiful chipboard. It's laser cut shapes, archival board from the Dusty Attic. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Sandi. And then the bag is even adorable. As if that were not enough. Oh my gosh. This is just incredible. She also sent... Whoo, the little card fell over. Let me put it back here. Oops. She also sent a paper pack from Stamperia, or Stamperia, however you want to say that. And this is 12 by 12 paper. And it's called New England. And it has birds on it. So I'm about to faint right now because I was just mentioning how I like blue, and oh my word, this is amazing. This is so beautiful. Thank you so much, Sandi. And then, oh, Sandi, okay, I'm gonna try not to get emotional, but when my first son was born, I painted these images on his bedroom walls, and it was classic Winnie the Pooh. And Sandi would have no way of knowing that unless she did some research on me. But back, that was 21 plus years ago. Wow, Sandi, this is so touching to me because, wow, you're making me, you know, go down memory lane here with these papers. Yeah, these images I know by heart. Wow. Okay, so I am going to stop this video here because it just goes without saying that Sandi has a generous heart and a generous spirit, and I know this from her videos already without receiving any of this, and I just want to say thank you. All of this is just superfluous. And absolutely beautiful, Sandi. I love the work of your hands. I think it's absolutely just stunning. Your taste is impeccable, so I admire it, and I admire, you know, the hard work and dedication that you have for the things that you make, and you know, the videos that you put out there. There's a reason you have the following that you do. I just want to say thank you for letting me be a part of all of this, because now when I look at these items, of course, I'll be thinking of you, and with all of the love in my heart, I just want to say a huge thank you, and thank you to the ladies of Loaded Envelope Galore also for coming up with these wonderful projects and ideas and collaborations and all of that. It's a lot of fun, and I'm getting to know some people on a deeper level, which is what I enjoy about it, of course, and yeah, and it's very very sweet. So thank you for the opportunity to be the recipient of so much kindness. I truly appreciate it, and I hope that you guys are inspired and blessed and have a beautiful day. Bye.